Welcome all to my first content-based video, with many more to come and as regular as time allows. I will aim to get something up at least once every 2 weeks to begin with, and if I can, I'll try to make it once a week. So in my first video, it'll be a nice and simple video about what equipment I use whilst I'm out and about with the drone. So here it is, this is what I use. First off, it's the DJI Mavic Mini. I've got the Fly More bundle, which includes 2 extra batteries. I've got 3 in total. You get this quite fancy carry case. Of course, you get the transmitter itself. And also the actual Mavic itself. It's a nice, very small, very quick, very handy piece of equipment. And what I have as well are these propeller guards that when you put it into the box, you can sort of protect the actual propellers itself. And put them in there, hopefully without doing any damage to the propellers at all. What I also have for this is a set of ND filters. Here we have 6. I'm currently using 1, which is currently on the camera itself. The filter I use is a circular polarizer, and this is what I mainly use, mainly for reflections because I tend to fly over water more than anything else. And we've got various other ones from ND 6 towards 32 and an UV filter. What I also have are a set of 2.4 GHz Yagis. These Yagis, I put them on the transmitter itself, the remote control, put them on like this. What this does is boost the signal between the transmitter itself and the Mavic Mini. And what it's supposed to allow you to do is go further without losing any signal. What I tend to use it for is for security reasons mainly. Just in case that I lose signal, but with these Yagis hopefully that I'll never lose signal regardless of how close or far I am. More about these Yagis in a future video. An iPhone XS. I use this to connect my phone to the transmitter, which displays on the phone what the camera is seeing on the Mavic Mini. I use 2 apps on the phone, which is the DJI Fly app and the UAV weather app. More about that in a future video. And last but not least, I have a wind speed meter. This is a handy piece of equipment because although on ground level winds may appear fine, especially on weather apps, but you don't know until you get there. Without this wind speed meter, you can't accurately find out what speed it is. So let's say if I arrive somewhere and I think it's a bit windy, I get this out, test it against the wind, and if it's less than 15 miles per hour, I think it's fine to go. Anything above 15 is a bit risky and not worth losing the Mavic Mini because of wind. And there we have it. These are the items I carry with me when I go out for a drone adventure. Let me know in the comments if you think I should have anything else that is a must-have item. Also, if you want, let me know all about your equipment. Just type them down in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for viewing.